Okay, what's up everybody? You guys recently just saw me drive to Columbus Custom Exhaust to get my Armytrix exhaust installation put in. I'm going to give you guys a video what it sounds like with a warm start. Also get some pulleys and other things with a cold start in the next video. But this is what it looks like on the outside with the cool tips. So here we have the cool Armytrix tips. You can see the logo right there. On the other side right here, backing up in full view. I think they did a great job with the install. Can't be mad. I'm super proud and super happy of what it came out and looked like. It's a little dirty mark right there, but it did rain today. But I'm super happy with the install and how everything went. So I'll get on. Actually, I'm gonna show you guys, because you guys know it is a Valvetronic exhaust, so that does mean that there was some electrical work that had to be done to the car. And also, for those that don't know, the exhaust does use a auto feature, which lets the exhaust know when you get up to a certain RPM you have to open or close the valves, which is the auto feature the car has. Let me get this open. Where's the thing at? Second, let me get this open. So just so you guys could see what they did as far as the install, there goes my air intake. But yeah, so right here they had to get this hose, put this part in right here to go all the way down to the vacuum hose, so that the car knows when to open close the valves. If you do want to put in the automatic setting, you can do that. But as far as everything else, the exhaust sounds pretty great. So hopefully you enjoy what it sounds like, and look out for my next videos where I'll do some pulleys and do some driving around with it. Thanks.